Hi, today's video regarding HP Envoy Photo 7134 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick unbox and a setup, and then we'll do a copy test in the end. So let's start with that. Now press the power button and switch on your printer. Just wait for the display screen to come up, and here it looks like this. And once it is on, you have to select the English language or any language you want. Now just confirm it, and now you have to select the country like US, Canada, UK, whatever you want. And once you do it, now click on the info button, and you will see here the manual setup. Click on that. Now continue setup. Now it's checking for the printer details. So it says install the cartridge. So now we have to install the ink cartridges here. So there are hooks on the both sides, so you need to lift this complete chamber, and then you will be able to open the ink cartridge chamber here. And these are the ink cartridges that are the starter ink cartridges we get, and you just need to cut and open these ink cartridges. Also remove the orange seal which is at the bottom of this cartridge. Cartridge number is 64 for ink and 64 for black and color both. So we have to remove the both ink cartridges here. Now to install the ink cartridge is very easy. We just need to place the ink cartridge, color at the color side, black at the black side. Just push it inwards and it will lock itself. So you just have to place it and just slide it forward, and then it locks. So once it is done, now we close the chamber. So just lift it little bit and push it downwards, but don't leave it, otherwise it will smash the scanner glass. So do it very politely. Now once your ink cartridge is installed, click OK, press OK button. Now it is saying like to load the pages. If you want, so you can load the pages as well. So I'll show you how to do that. It's the tray is at the bottom of this printer, that is the side adjuster. And now put the A4 size sheets here. Once you install the A4 size sheets, now let it slide inside again, and the output tray is on the top as you can see. And now I'm going to show you on the screen. Click OK. So just wait for the printer for the first time setup. So this might take 5-10 minutes for you. Now slide out the output tray. It might print a printout page which shows the alignment. So this page will show you if you are satisfied, then it's okay, and then we can go ahead. Look for the print quality, and now go to the screen again, and here we need to press OK. As you can see, the cartridges are now calibrated for the best print quality. Now click on the more info, because still we need to uh, get to the main screen for copy and print. Now advanced setup. Now you can do connect later option, and so that we can instantly use this printer for copy. Now if you want, you can click for the available recommended automatic updates, but do not check right now, and press continue, and just specify if you are using it for the home or the business purpose, and if it's for personal use or if you're using for any other use, and just confirm all the details. Now finally you will see this page, install HP software. Click OK, and now it says thank you for choosing HP, and you will see the main screen. Now in this main screen we can do copy, scan, whatever setting we want we can do. So our printer is ready now, and if I'm going to show you how to do quick copy. So you need to place a page on the top scanner. You can see the icon there, just facing the page downwards and towards that side, and now close the lid. Now go to the display screen again, and click on copy button, click on document because it's a document we are going to copy. You can also select the size, number of copies, and if you want one or two side, and then just click the print button. So here you can see it has copied as well. So it's a really good printer, fast enough. Thanks for watching.